Young Falls. It's been long overdue. Right, babe?
Yeah. We've been always planning to go there. Pero karon spontaneously lang.
Okay.
Ay, kawayan.
This is the solution to the very hot
Tsaka
country.
kaya ni Ana mag-selfie siya.
Yes, na. That is the cultural center. So, before mo la-host dito sa falls, kailangan mo mag-register sa ang negosyo center, which is just in front of the municipal hall. We're on the way na from jump off point. There's Catherine and there's our guide. So we're gonna start our trek. Oops. We're now on our first bridge to cross. Crossing the bridge. So familiar. It's like in elementary school when they also cross bridges like this during lunchtime because mamayabas ni or dito may kaon sa landahan sa kong lula. Sila po ay among school is nasa babaw and then likodan na is naay suba and then naay naning bridge. We're at my trail run. Ilang leg day nasa gym, babe? Ang leg day na to. Nadali. Pamaunsad. Bridge number 2.
Ito, the jacket. There.
Where?
Hala.
Wow. We are almost there. Look.
Salibo pa lang na. Salibo pa lang na. Wow. Mamaya.
We are now here. I can feel the rain on my skin. I'm gonna show Bagyangon Falls my phone, no? So this is their water source. You can literally drink from this spring. Ayan, look at the view. So yes, we are already here. Look at that. Para siyang naka-slow-mo in real time. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Lord, ana sikit ang imong buhat nga waterfalls kay na daw entrance, pero okay ra kay gwapa man.
Ako solo nga video nga natanaw sa ko. Yan ako sang tanawon din. Kaya wala rin sa among bukid.
Kaya naman ako ni makita sa screen, babe. Mas kaya, ang kuwan ba, ang tubig, eh, no need kami mo ang kuwan eh. Slow mo gani, naka-slow mo siya in real time. Suspended. Suspended?
High definition, real time slow mo.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, di ko madigyas, babe. Babe, huwag mo sakit akong kaya namin. Nasa yung lasa. Nga, detergent. I think it's the minerals that I'm tasting. It's like a miniature waterfall. Look. So scenic, so picturesque, so aesthetic. That is Bagyangon Falls for you. Look at that. Wow. Abi na ako bulak ako yung makita nga magpapa. Look. Wow. Like, wow. Grabe ko. Stop! The rock formation and everything close to perfection are perfect. Wow. Like 360. Not 180 but 360. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love it. Yeah. Atong cashew nut. Nami? Nami? Wow.
River na. Basta ka river.
No, dili ko.
Start tayo.
The ultimate baon on every Filipino's hike wherever they may go in the Philippines. Jollibee Yum Burger. This is not sponsored, by the way.
Akong liligo, babe.
Hindi ka magugupit?
Oo.
Ano
Iba
man?
lang kay tao. Makakita sila sa imuhang para lang sa imo.
Oh my gosh.
May shirt ka pa dulo. Ang shirt! Ang shirt! Ang shirt! Wapa na ko ka shirt. Oh, rainbow! Look at the rainbow! Makakang to! Ikita ka na rainbow. Wapa dyan tayo! Ang likod! Labo na kung nasa hanggang pala yan. Oh? Yes, na kayo. Oh, ito kaya nagsiga pa nila sa my God. Straight out of